Once in a peaceful village in India, there lived a kind farmer named Ramesh. Ramesh was known for his generosity and hard-working nature. Despite having only a small plot of land, he always shared his harvest with the less fortunate in the village. One day, as Ramesh plowed his field, his plow hit something hard. Curious, he dug deeper and uncovered an ancient clay pot. Inside the pot were sparkling gold coins and precious jewels. Overjoyed, Ramesh believed this was a blessing from the gods for his hard work and honesty. But instead of keeping the treasure for himself, Ramesh decided to use it for the welfare of his village. He announced that he would repair the broken school, build a well for clean water, and help poor families. The villagers were amazed and grateful for Ramesh's selflessness. However, the village elder, an old and wise man, noticed something unusual. Ramesh, he said, where exactly did you find this pot? Ramesh led him to the spot, and the elder carefully examined it. He then revealed a shocking truth. The pot had been buried there centuries ago as part of a curse. The elder explained, this treasure was left by a greedy landlord who stole from the villagers long ago. It is said that anyone who uses the treasure for selfish reasons would face misfortune. But Ramesh, because of your pure intentions, the curse has been lifted. The villagers cheered for Ramesh, calling him a hero. Ramesh's actions not only brought prosperity to the village but also taught everyone a valuable lesson. Kindness and selflessness can break even the strongest curses. Months later, as the villagers celebrated their newfound prosperity, Ramesh found another pot while plowing. This time, it was filled with ancient scrolls, revealing the secrets of sustainable farming techniques. Once again, his selflessness brought unexpected blessings to the village. This story highlights the importance of selflessness and working for the greater that shows good deeds often lead to greater rewards.